How to order a new debit card on Chime. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can order a new debit card on Chime. Now, if you have lost or damaged your card, this is what you do. So first, open up your Chime app. After you do that, tap on the gear icon on the top left. After you do that, you should be on your settings. On your settings, you will need to find an option that says cards. Tap on cards and you should be on this section right here. All you have to then do is tap on this manage physical card option on the bottom. Tap on that. And after you do that, you will see an option that says replace card. Tap on replace card. And from here, you will need to just choose what happened to your card and then follow a prompt. Keep on following the prompt and then you will have ordered for a new card on Chime. And that's how you get a new debit card on Chime if you have lost, damaged, or your card has got stolen. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.